the RS5.
What a beauty. I like these your blades. Very lovely. So have you flown it yet?
No,
So
not yet.
We're gonna get the like first flights. Ooh,
I've got a temporary motor in it. Vincent has sent my motor, my new Ego Drift, so I'm running a Tron Dynamic motor in there at the moment. My wiring in the back is a little bit rough at the moment.
It can't be worse than mine.
Because I just wanted to get it in the air.
That's a very fair. Okay, it can be worse than mine.
Yeah.
But that looks lovely. It is quite interesting how empty it is out here. Yeah.
So there we go. These are the first ones into the UK.
Yeah.
It's a very similar arrangement to the RS7.
I like how it's separate after the previous crash. I think that's very useful that I've done.
So one thing with it, with the way the frames are built up, just literally sandwiched together like this.
Yeah.
It is built.
It is
like
quite sturdy.
A tank. Of course, we have the 12mm main shaft as well. So it's as beefy as I think it needs to be for such a small machine. So the proof is in the pudding. So
may I lift?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh,
let me
definitely
pop that up.
Okay, yeah, that definitely makes a difference. That is quite light.
A 6S configuration, I would most probably say would be a far better solution for most people.
Yeah.
Obviously, just keep that weight down. As this is a fun toy for me, I decided that I wanted to go 8S and just give it a go, really. I'm flying the Spirit GT, using an FR Sky receiver, which is inside a custom 3D printed.
Oh wow.
Mount, so the receiver's inside there, and then obviously onto my TX16S. All in all, it's been an absolute joy to build. It's a fantastic kit.
What's the kit price?
I think it's around about $620 with blades. So it's not.
Oh, with blades. Wow.
Yeah, it's not badly priced.
No.
At all.
For its class, definitely not.
No, not at all. The nice thing with it as well is if you want to use the smaller servos, what you do when you assemble, you will assemble this the other way round, because if you look, you've got your mounts at the top.
Yeah.
And the same goes for the rear servo. So underneath,
there's space for.
That's your mount for the small servo.
Yeah.
So all you do is when you assemble this, you assemble it the other way round.
That's smart.
You know,
that's quite nice.
No extra bits need to be bought. You can just make your decision on what servos you want to use and configure the heli that way. The only one thing is it does still have to use a full-size tail servo.
Yeah.
But that's fairly standard common practice with most of the helis out there anyway. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful machine to fly. First time I've ever flied 8S as well. But I have noticed my telemetry widget hasn't initialized, so I'm not going to spend too long in the air. But great control authority on it. Very nimble little machine. Effortless, absolutely effortless on 8S. Let's bring it down and see what's in the battery. Love it, absolutely love it. Give it a better tune for high speed, but yeah,